DHL just dropped off a package on Labor Day. Wasn't expecting that. So we're going to do a quick unboxing tool haul video here. And I have so many things ordered right now, I don't even remember what this order is. But we're just going to do an unboxing, kind of a show and tell. Oh yeah. Okay, just a few items here. This viewer recommended that I check out these Facom locking pliers. So if I'm fumbling around with it and I don't seem knowledgeable about it, it's because this is new to me. This is a discovery. This thing looks pretty cool. What's this for? Okay, oh wow. So this pulls back like that. Man, you can really grip on some big stuff that way. And you got the fine tune. I gotta measure that. So this is in the locked position. That's 3.5 inches or 90 millimeters. Wow. You've got it cut here so it centers on stuff, so you can hold stuff like this in there. So this is made in France by Facom. Here's the model number, the 501A. You know, and I've seen different types of locking pliers before, but I've never seen one designed like this. This is really interesting. It's a little hard to unlock, but okay, there we go. To do a really tight grip on this, bring that back. So this is really tight. Okay, it locks. And then it's hard to unlock it. What you got to do is pull the handle, then the trigger, and then unlock, and it does everything smoothly. Okay, so that's just me. That's my learning curve with this new pliers, new design that I haven't seen before. I'm getting the hang of it. It grips tight, it grips hard, and it is easy to get it locked and unlocked. Yes, these are nice pliers. So then I got this Wolfcraft bit holder. Don't know if it's actually made in Germany. Of course, you know, they say Wolfcraft Germany, but is that just the address of the company? Is that actually where it's made? If anybody knows, go ahead and comment. We've got a through hole in the handle. This bit holder looks a lot like the Hotset, but it's not identical. This is a Japanese anvil bit. Yeah, the Hotset is better. I don't know what Hotset is doing that makes these so good for Japanese bits. So this is a single locking BB on the corner. So is this. But there's just a little bit more play with the Wolfcraft. More of the wobble with that longer bit. This one is a little bit better. They're very similar though. You know, the ergonomics on the Wolfcraft aren't bad, but hot set is still much more to my liking for ergonomics on the handle. Alright, then I decided to get another one of these. These are the extension from the Craftform Compact. It was cheap. I decided to throw it in with this order. Then I've got another adapter here. Okay, so this is a BGS. BGS, it's 1/4 inch socket to 1/4 inch bit. Ooh, that is some strong retention. Not magnet, it's the spring. That doesn't fit. So that doesn't lock into the E6 detent. It just... So that's on the edge. So that's made to just lock onto C6 bits. Is that what's going on? Does it really lock on? The offset isn't right though. Yeah. If I hold this in the light just right, you can see the shiny edge on this. So the ball detent doesn't match C6 detents or E6 detents. Well, whatever. It does hold them in there. Just another adapter that I thought I would pick up. I was searching for Facom products, and this popped up, and I'd never seen this before. So this is the Facom 841 scissors. It doesn't say that it's made in France. I just looked it up on the Facom website. This is an electrician's scissors. It really doesn't give a lot of specs beyond that, so you can cut soft wire with this, copper and things like that. So then I got this GLORIA Pro 10 spray bottle. Is suitable for oil, so I can fill this up. I can fill this up with WD-40, and I can use it to spray down trailer hitches, stuff like that. That I just want to. I just want to keep the rust down from for the winter. All right, so this is all in German here. Here, does it say that it is made in Germany? Half liter, 3/4 liter, 1 liter. And then they've got these markings in 2%, 4%, 6%, and 8%. See, the handle doesn't, the handle is slow to retract. But it does retract, so it's because of the suction inside of the bottle. And I'm getting drips from the nozzle down onto my fingers, and this nozzle is tight. So it's a little bit of a leaker. So it can do a stream. Okay, so I'll tighten the nozzle back up, and then I get a mist. It does work, but I wish it was a little bit cleaner. It works okay for what I had in mind, but it's not as nice as the Japanese jet oiler. I think I'm going to look a little harder to see if jet oiler makes a mist sprayer, because the Japanese stuff has never leaked on my fingers, and I find the jet oiler to be more precisely made compared to this GLORIA oil rated spray bottle. So that was a little more of an unboxing and a show and tell. You know how YouTube works. Stay tuned. I've got a lot of tools ordered from Japan and from Amazon Germany. Have a wonderful Labor Day. Stay tuned, and thank you for watching.